In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backup Thinkorswim. If you've ever spent time fine-tuning your charts, studies, watch lists, and window layouts in Thinkorswim, you know how valuable that setup can be. Backing it up protects your work so you can quickly get back to a known, reliable layout after updates, experiments, or device changes. The good news is that the platform makes this simple by letting you save your entire workspace as a named snapshot. Start with Thinkorswim open and focus your attention on the top right corner of the platform. You'll see a small gear icon labeled Setup. This is your control center for application-level options. Go ahead and click that Setup gear. A drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From that menu, select Save Workspace As. This option tells the platform to capture your current layout exactly as it is right now. You'll be prompted to give your workspace a name. This is your chance to create a clear, memorable label that helps you recognize what's inside. A practical tip is to use a short description plus the date, something like Core Layout 2026-0302 or Futures Charts Backup. Descriptive names make it easier to distinguish between different versions later, especially if you maintain multiple setups for different trading styles or markets. Avoid personal details in the name and keep it simple so you can scan your list quickly. Once you've chosen a name, click OK. That's it. Your current arrangement, your chart grids, linked symbols, gadgets, sidebar configurations, and other visual preferences is saved as a snapshot. Think of this as freezing your setup in time so you can rely on it as a safe fallback. If you're about to experiment with new studies, rearrange windows, or test a new layout, saving a backup first gives you the confidence to explore without losing what already works. A few helpful notes as you get in the habit of backing up. Save after any significant change you want to preserve, not just once. Keeping a handful of well-named versions can be more reliable than relying on a single backup. If you collaborate with others or switch between computers, consistent naming helps ensure you always know which layout is your primary one. And remember, a saved workspace is focused on the platform's layout and configuration, so treat it like a visual and functional snapshot of your environment. That's all it takes. With a quick click on the Setup gear, choosing Save Workspace As, and naming your snapshot, you've created a dependable backup of your Thinkorswim setup.